Christmas is just around the corner as I shoot this, heading into October. It's going to be a crazy, crazy time of year. Amazon's own information says it's going to be a bumper year. Coronavirus, of course, has created a huge surge in people shopping online. But how do you take advantage of that? What can you do right now to make sure that you're ready for Q4 on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your Amazon business here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and that way I'll know that you want more information like this. And if you've got any questions, of course, comments below, and you might also want to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because we post information like this every single day, all about helping you build your own business on Amazon here in Australia. All right, let's get into it. So how the hell do you prepare for Christmas on Amazon? So coming up, we've got at the end of November, Black Friday, which is the 26th of November, and Cyber Monday, which is the 29th of November. We've got that coming up first, and you should absolutely get yourself ready for that. I'm just looking at the quarterly earnings reports that Amazon put out, and interesting reading. So let's just go over here. I don't know if you've been here before. It says aboutamazon.com. Just Google that, aboutamazon.com. You'll find this particular page. Basically, it's where your investors go. If you hold a shareholding in Amazon, and you should, if you sell on Amazon, you should absolutely hold at least one share just to get you a seat at the table, and you'll get all the quarterly reports. You get a shitload of information about the company that's really useful. Anyway, so that's where they put all of that information. Here's what they're saying. You can see this massive curve that's been happening from Q4 in 2020. Well, we've already exceeded that. We've already exceeded Q2, which is like a crazy bit of time. So Q1, Q2, coming out of Q3 into Q4 now. It's going to be nuts. It's going to be nuts. So how the hell should you prepare for Q4? Well, remember that you've got Black Friday, Cyber Monday coming up. So definitely get ready for them. And what that really means is make sure you got enough stock. Get stock. I mean, now is the time to have that done. You want to have your stock in place. Really, like, now is the time to get that done. If you haven't got that done yet, you may even be too late. But definitely get onto it immediately and see if you can see if you can get yourself organized with that. Also, consider setting up a FBM, fulfilled by merchant, backup plan. So if you can't get all the stock you need into Amazon, then you really ought to get an FBM strategy in place now. Find a company who can do that for you, a 3PL now, so that you can get that set up. NP fulfillment is very, very good in Australia. PickPack, that's P-A-K, so pikpak.com.au, also good. PickPack in Australia. Richard Aston at FBA Prep Australia, also very, very good here in Australia. Anyway, you need that set up, because if you don't get to put all your stock in, you need a backup plan. So get that done as well. Get busy with your ranking campaigns. Aim to get your product ranked. So what is it now? The end of September. You want to be starting your Amazon ranking campaigns probably the beginning of November. Okay, so you've got October to plan, ready to go nuts in November. And what you should aim to do is put all your firepower to bear upon your SEO in the beginning of November. So you increase your rankings ready for November 20, something like that, because that's when the Christmas rush starts happening. And it's approximately a month of nuttiness from November 20 to December 20, 21, depending on the day that particularly 21st falls on. And then it's kind of quiet again until Boxing Day, and then Boxing Day's another level of sexiness as well. So you want to rank now. So that's Google AdWords, Amazon PPC, Facebook ads if you're going to do that. But get yourself ranking. Make sure you're good to go. Also consider changing your listings to talk about the Christmas side of things if they're particularly giftable like that. You want to do that now, ready to go for then. To give you a sense of that, that 30-day period November 20 till December 20, I typically 10x my business. So I can do 10 times the trade during that period of time that I do in other months. So if in, August, I don't know why I couldn't think of a thing there. August, I do like $100,000. I'll do $1 million over that period of time. Okay, it's super cool. So make sure you get yourself set up for that. Now is the time to start putting all those things in place. You want to get your reviews all happening as well, so that's all done. Change your listing, change that now, ready to go. If you're having problems doing that, use a flat file. That's going to be much, much easier for you. There's a video on my channel about doing that. Those kind of things should be done now. Keep in mind you've got Black Friday, Cyber Monday coming up. If your products are going to be in that, you should set up all your deals ready to go. Make sure that you do that with lots and lots of time, because they'll have a cut-off date. Also make sure you've got your products going in there, because they will cut that off as well. So you want to make sure you got that in there as well. Anyway, should be huge. Can't wait to share it with you. See you next time. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia. Over 2,600 members from Australia and some other countries as well. We let some other folks in with sales of over $50 million on Amazon this year alone. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and indeed come and join us so you can learn too, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.